Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best bicycle lock pedal in this video? I will show you the top 5 best bicycle lock pedals to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Bucklos Mountain Bike Pedals. Specifications. Brand name, Bucklos. Type, self-locking pedal. Model number, PDM680. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, aluminum, alloy. Number 4 is Ultralight GEWAGE Bicycle Self-Locking Pedal. Specifications. Brand name, Goldix. Model number, GE152. Size, 96 by 66 by 34 Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, bearing. Use, BMX, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, aluminum, alloy. Type, SPD. As the item number 3 we've selected, XTR PD M9100. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Type, self-locking pedal. Model number, M9100. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, pedal. Use, mountain bikes. Number 2 is Shimano Deore XTR PD M9100 pedals. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Model number, PDM9100. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, pedal. Use, mountain bikes. Material, aluminum, alloy. Type, self-locking pedal. On the top of our list at number 1 we have XTR PD M520 and 540. Specifications. Brand name, Shimano. Pedal category, self-locking pedal. Pedal device category, pedal. Use, mountain bikes, road bicycles. Material, aluminum, alloy.